Are you tired of shampoos that promise repair but leave your chemically treated hair dull and lifeless? NOUNOU Shampoo offers a gentle yet powerful solution that nourishes and restores your hair's natural vitality. Designed specifically for damaged hair, it cleanses without stripping, leaving your strands feeling soft and hydrated from root to tip. I've seen firsthand how NOUNOU Shampoo changes the game for hair that's been through the wringer. One user shared how the combination of the shampoo, conditioner, and hair mask brought her hair back to life, making it thicker, shinier, and healthier. Another praised its ability to clean and nourish for a textured hair, highlighting how it left her curls soft and conditioned without weighing them down. These testimonials aren't just fluff, they speak to the real benefits you get from consistent use. What makes NOUNOU Shampoo stand out is its natural active ingredient, fiascato tomato extract. This unique component deeply hydrates hair, enhancing softness and shine while strengthening each strand. It's a formula that respects your hair's delicate condition and helps rebuild it from within. Applying it is simple. Just massage into wet hair, rinse, and repeat if needed. Follow up with the NOUNOU conditioner for best results. If you're ready to see your chemically treated hair regain strength and shine, NOUNOU Shampoo is worth a look. It's designed to deliver what matters: hydration, nourishment, and a healthy glow. Try it when you're ready to give your hair the care it deserves.